Hey, my name's Ken. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing and smelling a scent that was graciously lent to me by another client and friend, Dorit. So Dorit, if you're watching this, thank you so much. Merci. Chahesh michonam. Let's get into this. So this is a Jo Malone hair mist, Velvet Rose and Oud. I'm familiar with oud. It's also used in many men's fragrances as well. It's a hair mist, so this is my first time coming across such a thing. I know some people use their fragrances and they put it in their hair because it's a great carrier. Though, to be specifically a hair mist, I'm actually very interested to try this out. I will not be putting this in my hair. I will be placing it on my skin like a normie because I don't want to smell like Velvet Rose and Oud, though I'm pretty sure it's a good scent. So straight from the atomizer, it's a blast of rose. No oud, quite yet. Ooh. Oh. This is bomb. What the fuck? You know what? I can already paint a picture here. I'm out on this beautiful steakhouse dinner date. Go to frickin' Outback. Order some bloomin' onion on this dinner date. And somebody else walks past me and my date, and she is this bombshell, 10 out of 10. This in her hair. Ketchup off, and honey, I'm sorry, but I am gonna be turning my face to see who smells like this. This is such a captivating smell. I do think they also make this in a EDP version, but even just to put this in your hair, I am turning my head and I am physically salivating right now. It's that good. I highly recommend. This is 10 out of 10. Easy, 10 out of 10. This is what, 30 milliliters. Jo Malone's pretty pricey, so you're gonna go through this pretty quick as well. Though, you really can't go wrong with this. Yeah, this is really fucking sexy. Buy this shit. Anyways, for more fragrance related content, here's an invitation to subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon.